Alright, so I bought this on Amazon. I liked it so much I bought a second one. This is that one. The other one's in my trunk. Two will fit perfect, and that's why I bought the second one. So anyway, let me open this thing up and I'll tell you about it. Alright, this is it out of the box. Let me open her up. And that's it. It's really that simple. You don't have to put anything together. It's like an accordion. You just pop it open, it's ready to go, which is really nice. It looks like we have some side pockets, which I haven't even thought about yet. But this is the inside. And like I say, when I put it in the car, I'll make it a little more straight. And that's it. All right, here's the first one. Here's the second one. I'm doing them lengthwise. And this is the trunk, if you can see it. And I haven't really started filling up stuff yet. I'm not sure what's going to go where, but you can see how cool that could be. Alright, I've had these for about a week, and so far so good. Not sure if I told you, but these have Velcro on the bottom of them, which is awesome. Didn't even realize that until they were already in. So that helps a lot so it doesn't slide around. So you can see I got 3 of the 4 used up. Still don't know how I'm going to use them permanently, but this is where they're at now. And then this one I just leave open for groceries. So, so far so good.